So could vaccines soon be required before you're allowed to board a plane? It's one of the ideas being discussed, and one doctor actually says that he would support it. But what could this mean for the travel industry, and what else is currently being done to try to keep you safe? Consumer investigator Hank Winchester has more from Metro Airport.
If you make your way to the airport, the rules are clear. If you go inside, a face covering is required. You have to stay 6 feet away from other passengers. But are those rules enough? Mask required, planes being cleaned, and passengers kept at a distance at ticket counters. Many measures in place to keep you safe. But should passengers have to have proof of being vaccinated? Here's what Dr. Fauci had to say recently.
This is something that is on the table, that's being discussed. And as you quoted me correctly, I said that I'm not proposing it, but if the president decided, all other things considered in that decision, I would certainly support that.
David Fishman with Cadillac Travel says he wouldn't be surprised if airlines make more safety changes very soon.
If we can't get things under control in regards to the spread of COVID, then they're going to have to do more things to protect the passengers and people traveling.
Fishman says requiring vaccines, though, could create lots of confusion unless it's adopted by the entire airline industry.
If they mandate something, they're going to say test and or vaccination, because that's a reasonable expectation, because some people can't be vaccinated. Still, there are kids that can't be vaccinated now.
A spokesperson for the U.S. travel industry saying U.S. travel has long maintained that there should be no mandatory vaccination requirement for domestic travel. Such a policy would have an unfair, negative impact on families with young children who are not yet eligible to get the vaccine. And take a look in Miami, they're testing a new program to sniff out COVID literally. Trained dogs now being used to identify airline employees who are COVID positive. If this proves successful, other highly trained dogs may be brought into passenger terminals. The vaccine debate, well, that will continue. But as it stands right now, U.S. airlines only requiring you to mask up if you are traveling domestically. We're here at Metro. Hank Winchester. Help me, Hank.